Day 6 of learning how to wheelie my Surron, and I still can't keep it up.
A big part of the struggle is on sport mode. It hits really hard and it's hard to control when I try to find the balance point. I'm also still recovering from a dislocated finger. It's still swollen, but I'm still riding through it.
Holy smokes. Thought I was cooked, fam. Thought I was cooked in a cookie jar.
In my other videos, I was using eco mode when I was doing foot drags, but today I switched it up.
Damn, son.
Right now, I can get the front wheel up pretty easily, but holding it is the hard part. Most of my attempts still end fast. I either drop it or step off right away. So I started trying to use my foot to save the balance instead of just giving up my attempt. At first it felt awkward because I'm still learning how to control the throttle and balance at the same time. But it actually started helping me stay up longer than before. This is where I started noticing little progress. I could actually feel the balance point a bit better on some of these attempts. It's still not clean, but I'm not dropping it instantly anymore, which is a step forward. I kept trying to stay calm and not panic when the front wheel came up. A couple attempts got really close, like I almost saved it. But I'm still not fully holding a clean wheelie yet. Day 6, I'm getting better if you can't tell. For now on, I'm using sport mode as my daily mode, because I've been using eco mode this whole time. And that will get me used to sport. I'm gonna end the video here, like and subscribe, and I'm out. Deuces!